Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the rear shock absorbers on Toyota RAV4. That's the shock absorber right there that I'm going to replace. It's held by one bolt on the bottom and then a nut on the top. So in order to get to the nut on the top, we need to open the boot, and there is a plastic cover that we need to remove, and then we'll get to the nut on the top of the shock absorber. That's the nut right there. There is actually two nuts, so first we remove one nut and then we get the other nut as well. That's the cover for the right shock absorber. It's the same on this side. Then we're going to remove the bolt on the bottom first. The car I'm doing it on is up in the air, so I'm going to use a transmission jack in order to bring the wheel up a little bit so that I can remove the shock absorber easier. If it's on the ground, you can do it on the ground. I'm using a pry bar to pry it out a little bit, and then it's coming out. Now I'm going to bring the whole wheel down by bringing the transmission jack down, and then I can bring the car down and remove the nut on top of the shock absorber. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In order to remove the first nut, first I'm going to need to use two wrenches, one of them to hold the lower nut, while I try to loosen the upper nut. Next, I'm going to use vice grips to hold the shock absorber while I remove the lower nut. With the vice grips, I'm going to hold the shock absorber from turning while I remove the nut. Now that the nut is loose, I can put on the wrench without the vice grips and just remove the nut. Next, I'm going to remove the bushing from the shock absorber, and then the shock absorber will drop down. And as the shock absorber dropped down to the ground, now I'm going to replace the shock absorber with the new one. That's the new shock absorber. First I'm going to push it in a couple of times in order to get it working, and then I'm going to put the bushings on the top of the shock absorber, and then I'm going to put it on the car. First I'm going to put the shock absorber through the hole and put the nut on, and then I'm going to put it on the bottom. Now I'm going to assemble the bushing on top, and then I'm going to put on the nut, and then I'm going to put on the bolt on the bottom, and then we're done. Now I'm going to tighten this bolt, and then we're done with replacing the shock absorber. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.